In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine images in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. This should be the design where you want your final combined image to appear. Before you begin blending anything, make sure the images you want to combine are already available in your project. It helps to quickly check that both images are placed on the canvas and ready to edit, so you can focus on the blending process without interruptions. Once your images are in place, position one image over the other. In other words, overlay them so they sit on top of each other in the same area of your design. This layering is what allows Adobe Express to blend the two visuals together. If the images are not aligned the way you want, take a moment to move or resize them until the composition looks right. A good layout at this stage will make the final result much more polished. Next, click to select the top image. This is important because the blend effect will be applied to the image sitting above the other one. After selecting it, look over to the left panel and find the opacity option. Click on that to open the opacity settings. Inside the opacity panel, you'll see blend options. This is where the magic happens. Choose either multiply or screen depending on the effect you want. Multiply usually creates a darker, more layered look, which can work well when you want texture or shadow to come through. Screen does the opposite and tends to create a lighter, softer blend, which is useful for brighter, more airy results. If you're not sure which one looks better, simply try both and compare them directly on your canvas. After choosing your blend mode, adjust the opacity slider to control how strongly the images blend together. Lower opacity creates a subtler effect, while higher opacity makes the top image more dominant. This step gives you fine control over the final appearance. So take your time and adjust it until the combination looks balanced and natural. And that's it. That's how you combine images in Adobe Express. With just a simple overlay, a blend mode, and a quick opacity adjustment, you can create a more artistic and dynamic image in just a few moments.